Are you receiving emails in Yahoo Mail just fine, but when you're trying to send one, it either gets stuck, fails, or sits in your drafts folder forever? When Yahoo Mail stops sending emails, it creates a one-way communication breakdown that can seriously impact your productivity. In this video, I'll give you a complete step-by-step solution to diagnose and fix your Yahoo Mail sending issues so you can get back to communicating without interruptions. And if you need more help, then call the numbers on the display to talk to our expert team. Let's fix those sending problems. First, you need to search for the Yahoo Mail app on the App Store or Play Store. Then, tap on the update if there is one. Open the Yahoo Mail app and see if your problem is resolved. Next, you should press and hold the Yahoo Mail app. When you see the options, then click on the info icon. On the open page, tap on the force stop option. When the confirmation prompt appears, then select OK. See if these steps fixed your problem. If yes, then subscribe to our channel and give a video a like. However, if the problem still persists, then keep following the further steps. Go ahead and click on the storage option. After that, choose the clear data option. On the confirmation pop-up, tap on delete. Log back into your Yahoo Mail account and see if your problem has been resolved.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.